of Lowry Hearing Aid Center, and I went in this week and let him do a little hearing test on me, which is something that you do for all your patients that come in. Tell us about what we did and what others can do and how it will help them, Brody.
Sure. First thing we do, we come in and get a little information from you, a little medical background. Do otoscopy first, where we stick the high-def camera in the ear, take pictures of your canals, make sure there's no earwax blocks.
Mine were clean as a whistle.
They were pretty good.
Yeah, I kept saying, oh, I hope there's something in there. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Look, I'm getting all hooked up there.
Yep.
I don't know what all I've got on there. What's on top of my head?
So those are insert headphones we do the actual hearing test with. So there you are.
Yeah.
And they're getting ready to hit the button.
Yep. So I'm supposed to hit, when I hear the sound, I hit the button. Of course, I'm talking, so I probably can't hear the sound. But so then he could test and see what, so he could tell if I could hear well or not, and then kind of put some ratings down on that. Oh, I see, that's just the light on my head. I was like, what is that?
Yeah, LED light in there.
Yeah, so it was really simple. And then that gives you a reading and tells you what?
We get all your thresholds, different frequencies, find out if there's a hearing loss or not. You're very mild. No hearing aids at this point.
Yes. So see, I did have a mild hearing loss. All my friends and family were anxious to hear the results because I've always been so loud, and we wondered if I didn't hear well. But apparently, I just have a voice that carries, and that's the nice way of putting it. My mom says, yes, that's the nice way. It carries very loudly. But that was a great way to find out what was going on with my hearing. You do this for your patients.
Absolutely.
And then you know where to go from there. And then the tests where they look down in my ears and everything, that was amazing. I'd never seen an ear canal like that before.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. High-def camera we've had for about 3 years. And we take still photos as well. So if we need to send it to a doctor, we can certainly send that through email or whatever. So
this is something you do for all of your patients.
Absolutely.
And then you go from there.
Yep.
And they come in for a free consultation the first time, right?
Free hearing test, free consultation. You know, come in and get checked out. We suggest anybody over 50 come in and, you know, start somewhere, you know.
Because most people that come into you should have come in a long time ago. Somebody's been telling them to for 10 years, and they finally come in.
Most of the time, yes.
And what do they say? Oh, I don't need to be here, but she's making me, and they find out they do need to be there.
Absolutely, yep. We settle some differences occasionally.
Yes, I bet. Well, there's so many different options, and I know a lot of people are so concerned. Oh, I don't want to wear hearing aids. Oh, I don't want to. But it improves your quality of life. You have lots of different options for them, and
absolutely.
You said it's so rewarding because you're helping so many people each day.
Absolutely, you know, changing people's lives, you know, for the better. Most of the time you lose your hearing, it's very slow, gradual, and then when you bring it all back, it's just like the light goes off. So it's pretty awesome.
I bet.
Pretty awesome.
Well, what can they do to find out more? Just go to your Facebook page?
Facebook, our website. Give us a call, 417-553-0724, or come by and see us.
Come by and see you, and you can do that same hearing test I did. Now, when he looked in my ears and I could see the ear canal, I got a little woozy. I don't know why. It just felt funny to see down in my ear like that. Now it's kind of bothering me a little bit. Now I may just clunk over, but he was laughing at me for that. It was simple. I brought home my page that shows me what sounds I lose in what type of area, and it was really interesting. Thanks for doing that for me.
Oh my gosh, my pleasure.
I know you help lots of people with it, so check out his website, go by and see him, and you can have the same thing done. Thanks for being here, and keep coming back each month. You can kind of give us little hearing tips and things to help us improve our quality of life. Thank you. Well, coming up next on Living